Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with comprehensive tutorials on using X to enhance your photos. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of rotating your photo in X. Rotating your photo allows you to adjust its orientation and ensure it looks exactly the way you want. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X app on your device and wait for it to load. Step 2. Tap on the pluses icon and tap on Post. Look for the pluses icon, typically located at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it to create a new post. Step 3. Tap on the photo. Select the photo you want to rotate from your gallery. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Then, tap on the square with the tilted arrow. Locate the square icon with the titled arrow, usually found among the editing options. Tap on it to access the photo rotation feature. Step 5. Rotate the photo until it suits your desired orientation. Use your finger to rotate the photo by sweeping left or right until it aligns with your preferred angle. Step 6. Tap on Apply. Once you're satisfied with the rotation, tap on the Apply button to save the changes. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to rotate your photo in X. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more X-related tutorials and tips.